Today we will look at how to install Pulse on your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard at shopify.com and ensure you have admin access to install apps. Open the Shopify App Store and search for Booleanmaths. From the search results, select Booleanmaths and install. Install app and accept the requested permissions. Once installed, Booleanmaths Pulse will automatically start tracking visitor activity. Next, we will verify the installation on Booleanmaths. Visit the Booleanmaths dashboard. Log in using the email associated with your Shopify store. A brand will be automatically created under this email account. You can now access your tracking dashboard and analytics for your Shopify store here. Visit your Shopify store. Go to your Booleanmaths dashboard. Navigate to the Users section. You should see real-time visitor activity being logged.